Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Rona Report. Today's is going to be pretty brief. It's not really feeling the best today, so I'm going to kind of go through the stuff pretty quickly. And no, not sick, just one of those days where I'm not really feeling it. So let's go through this pretty quickly. So first and foremost, as usual, we go over the local numbers. So as you can see here, Madison County now has 31 confirmed cases with one death. That is one more case than there was 2 days ago when I did a Rona report. Clark County is still at 20 confirmed and 0 deaths, so they're the same. And then Fayette County is now at 306 confirmed cases with 9 deaths, so they have 11 more confirmed cases than 2 days ago. So up next, of course, the top 10 steps to fight COVID-19. Again, I went through these in detail, so I'm not going to do that again today. If you want to read these, you can go ahead and pause it and read through those. But just remember, stay healthy at home. Leave only for essential items such as groceries or medical supplies. That's the big one. Up next, the census. I didn't talk about this 2 days ago, so I apologize for that. But Governor Beshear still wanting people to complete the census, so you can do that at 2020census.gov. There's also a paper mail that had been sent out. You can respond to that, or there's a phone number on the website that you can do it over the phone if you want to do it that way as well. So up next, we're going to talk about testing. So these are the sites for I believe the next 2 weeks is what Governor Beshear stated, or at least next week. So signups are available now. That's through the Kroger testing, which is thelittleclinic.com/drive-through-testing. You can go there, register for an appointment, and get signed up to get tested for COVID-19 for free. These, of course, Kroger sites are for anyone. You don't have to have symptoms, don't have to be a healthcare worker. So those are the sites for next week. The Lexington and Louisville ones are the same, Monday through Friday. And then Tuesday through Thursday, it's going to be changed to Camp High School in Corbin and John Hardin High School in Elizabethtown. Also, Governor Beshear talked about those sites. The Kroger sites are giving out masks and hand sanitizer. He said that they've been able to give out 12,000 masks and 20,000 hand sanitizer portions. So definitely a good thing there as well. He also talked about a new partnership in Bowling Green, because Bowling Green's been hit pretty hard by COVID-19. So as you can see here, Barron River District Health Department is collaborating with over 15 community partners to meet the challenge of providing COVID-19 testing for the underserved communities of Bowling Green. So this week on Thursday, there's going to be at South Warren High School still, and then at the Zip Clinic Parker Bennett Elementary School, at Bluegrass Medical, Eli Drugs, and then on Friday, the Kroger South Warren High School site as well. And then for next week, on Monday, Zip Clinic at La Luz del Mundo Church. And then on Tuesday, that Zip Clinic will be at Curbside Ministries. Thursday, it will be at Bowling Green Learning Center, and Friday at Parker Bennett Elementary School. So for the Bowling Green area and Warren County. definitely getting some testing there as they've been hit pretty hard. The last thing that was talked about today before we get into the numbers, healthcare phase 2 reopening. So obviously May 6th, that is today. So all of these things, I talked about this a couple days ago on Monday, May 4th. So you can pause it and look at all the different things that are reopening. Of course, they have to follow the industry-specific guidelines that have been issued to them, as well as the Healthy at Work. So we went over that in detail as well. So if you want to read over it, go ahead and pause now, read over that for a second, and then come back, and you'll hear me go over the numbers. So that being said, last but not least, the numbers for Kentucky. There were 159 new cases, with now having 5,934 total cases for Kentucky, 3 of those being probable. 78,603 tests that have been administered. There have been 1,616 Kentuckians in the hospital, while 351 are currently in the hospital. There are 190 people currently in the ICU, and there have been 2,125 people recover from COVID-19. There was also 8 new deaths today, bringing the total deaths to 283, and 160 of those are from long-term care facilities. So a pretty big portion there. And last but not least, the numbers for the United States around the country. So there are now 1,223,419 confirmed cases, 72,812 deaths, and 189,910 people that have recovered, and those numbers are from Johns Hopkins University. So as I said, I was going to keep today's Rona Report brief. So for today's Rona Report, I'm Jordan. See you guys next time.